Click Import Image and choose the floor plan that you want to import to the tool. Click Draw to draw from a sketch, and then set the measurement to make it the same with the reality of the project. Put in the dimension in real and click Confirm. Then click the wall and you can draw the wall by changing its dimension on the top. Here I put 0.2 meter. Then click wall to draw the inner walls. Here I set the dimension as 0.1 meter. And then we can trace the wall as the floor plan. Okay, you can see that the point will be automatically attached to the other walls you have drawn. And then you can modify the floor plan by either drag the walls or put in the dimension. Okay, then we can add on the doors to the plan. Here, click Flip. You can adjust the opening direction of the doors. Then go to 3D and click the door, then click Replace. You can see other products of the different doors and choose it from public library and see the effect. And then here on the right bar, you can set some properties of the door products such as length and height and thickness. Then duplicate the door to the other walls. Adjust some of the dimension of each products. Let's do the same as for the rest. Okay, after we put all the doors and before the window, the floor plan is more or less done. Thank you and see you next time.